Greetings to all of you. My name is Om Soni and this is Krishna Rajput. We are studying in LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Currently, we are in semester 4 of Mechanical Engineering.
Now, I'd like to introduce you to our group project, Hydraulic Sugarcane Juicer. Our project is based on the fundamental of hydraulics. In this project, we used metal plates, metal frames, oil pump, oil tank and hose pipes. The design of juicer is simple and easy to use. Now, the procedure of the group project will be further explained by Om Soni.
In this project, we give power supply to the pump and the pump supplies oil from the tank to the piston. The oil flowing in the piston pushes the piston upwards and the top plate on the piston makes contact with the plate welded on the frame. When the contact is done, the sugarcane placed on the piston plate crushes and the juice flows out in the glass held near the piston. Now, the conclusion will be explained by my group member Krishna Rajput.
The efficiency of this juicer is higher on bigger scale. This type of juicer can crush multiple sugarcanes at a single time. In future, we can add quick return mechanism to the piston for faster run. We can also use it for other fruits as well.
So this was the basic information regarding our group project Hydraulic Sugarcane Juicer. Thank you.